Sarah Linneman with the Green Executive. So at the Green Executive, we currently have 3 primary services that we offer. The first of which is Profit First, which is a cash management system for business. The second is LMN in-person implementations, so going on site with LMN users and helping them really put the product to use for them. And the third is bookkeeping services. We only work with industry-specific companies to provide bookkeeping services to make sure we're bridging the gap between what happens on the daily basis and the accountant. The power of LMN is in the budgeting and estimating part of the system. Sitting down with the budget and getting into the thought process of what are we doing as a company, how are we going to direct our company for the coming year. You're not only building a budget for your company to use within the system and to see how those numbers are playing out, you're also allowing yourself the time to think about why that's important for your company. The LMN budgeting workshops, I think, are really key to help you unpack what you're doing as a company, but also to get started in the system itself. So when you're going to an LMN budgeting workshop, you're going to bring along your financials and you're going to bring along any kind of documents, and ideally if you can access them while you're there, that will help you get to a really good place throughout the day so that when you walk away from the day, you can walk away and said, I am almost done with my budget. You might not be 100% done, but the whole point of the budgeting workshop is so that you have a really good foundation and a confident budget that you're able to sit down through the day and walk away after that day and say, I'm in a really good place with my budget and now I can take it and run with it. I think a budgeting workshop is very eye-opening for a lot of reasons. That it's forcing you to just look at your numbers because you may not do that very often, if at all. So it forces you to look at the numbers and then be confident in what you're putting into the system to know you can trust what it's telling you back out. So when you get the feel for how your company is running based on how much of our money goes to equipment, how much of our money goes to labor, and kind of examine that from a high-level view, it helps you make better decisions. So when you come to an LMN budgeting workshop, we go through the budget from top down. We do a top-down review, meaning we hop into the budget, not an express budget, a complete budget, and we start at the first section and work our way down so we're hitting on every single point and we're talking about why they're important and kind of the behind the scenes of what the system's doing to help you utilize the information that you're putting in. The LMN workshops are a huge value and you can find them at LMN's website. Under training, there's a workshop section and you can see all the available workshops and other training that's available to you.